So in previous class of Fourier series, which we were discussing, I told you to go through with the notes that I have provided you, the material. So have you all seen that at least once? The material you have seen? Yes or no? बताइए भाई. Okay. So now the video looks good, na? Is it okay? Visible properly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I told you just to go through with the material, and I hope that you all have seen. If not, then please go through with that. And whatever I am teaching, it is in that continuation. So that will be very, very helpful to you. Okay. And one thing I wanted to discuss with you, and that is Parseval's formula. Parseval's formula. And that is, if you have a functions, say fx is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity and an cos nx plus bn sine of nx. Okay. So fx is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity an cos nx and bn sine nx. And then there is a relation between this an and bn, and that is given by, suppose it is for minus pi to pi range. Okay, so then it will be given by minus pi to pi fx square dx. Okay, this will be given by summation n is equal to 0 to infinity and an square plus bn square. Right? So this is known as Parseval's formula or Parseval's identity, and the similar will be the case when it will be minus L to L. So if it will be minus L to L, then same thing will appear here. It will become n pi x by L. Here it will become n pi x by L. And then when you take the square, it will become minus pi to pi की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? It will be minus L to L fx square dx, and there it will become summation n is equal to 0 to infinity and an square plus bn square. Okay, so that means if you open it, it will become a naught square plus a1 square plus a2 square plus dash dash dash, and plus it will become b1 square plus b2 square plus dash dash dash. Okay, so for finding the series of any function, like some function is given, you have written the Fourier series, then especially in GATE exam they have asked many times. Okay, for the GATE exam they have asked many times, then that which one of the following series is correct, right? They ask that which one of the following series is correct. Then what we have to do is we have to actually write the Fourier series, then use the coefficients to get this series, because left hand side you will calculate automatically. It is minus pi to pi fx square dx. So this is a definite integral. This is a definite integral. So obviously you will get this answer as a number, and right hand side is infinite coefficients, infinite number of coefficients. So that will give you an infinite series. This you will get as an infinite series. So I recommend you that in all of the problems where we have calculated a Fourier series, what we can do is we can go back and write the, using the Parseval's identity, write the another series. Okay, we can write another series, and ये बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस में काम आने वाला है. तो ये एज सच पता होना चाहिए. इसको जरा माइनस पाई के से पाई के लिए भी लिख सकते हो. So write it in your copy. This is for minus pi to pi, obviously. And if I write it for minus L to L, then series will change. Fx will become suppose you take summation n is equal to 0 to infinity an cos n pi x by L and plus bn sin n pi x by L. This is the Fourier series. So once you get the values of an and bn, एक बार जब हमें an और bn की वैल्यू मिल जाती है, then we can write the Parseval's formula, and again that will be minus L to L fx of square and dx, right? And this side you will have summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an square plus bn square. Okay. So कुछ क्वेश्चंस में आप जरूर इसको ट्राई करना. हम लोग भी साथ में क्लास में भी करेंगे. अब थोड़ा सा और आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो अब टॉपिक के नाम पे नया कुछ भी नहीं है फुरियर सीरीज में. ओके, सो 10 few questions here and there and we are finished with it and we can start some new chapter. ओके, सो एक बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है जो मैं कराना चाहता हूं, and it is given like this, that it is given in the form of graph. Actually the function is given in the form of graph, and the graph is like this. Okay, it is given like this. It is -2 0 -1 1 and 2. This is your x-axis, and this value is 1. Okay, this value is 1, and this is your fx. So this is fx, this is x, this is 1. So you have to tell me the first thing, that what part is periodic, which part is repeating. I mean, what is the period here? Can anybody tell? What will be the period here? Vani? 2. So this is the part that is repeating, that you have to see, because this again has started. So this will be continuing, right? Like this. But you have to clearly see that which of the part is repeating. So this part is actually repeating. Let me make it with another color. This part will be repeating, right? So this is the function that is repeating, and what will be the period? It will be 2. Absolutely correct. So this is the part that is repeating. Now, can I ask you that whether it is even function or it is odd function?
Even.
What type of function is this? Even or odd?
Even.
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 This is not odd. Why? I have told you everything. Why?
Symmetric about y-axis.
Y-axis. So it is symmetric about y-axis. So this is even function. So can I conclude something immediately? The value of Bn? What will be the value of Bn?
0.
It will be 0. No need of sign terms here, right? And the formula for Fourier series, let me write it like this: a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity, right? And an sine cos n pi x by L plus bn sine n pi x by L. This is the Fourier series, and actually it was given in the question itself. Okay, I am doing a previous year question. So an is there, right? Bn is there. Okay, and we have to write the values of a naught, an, and bn, and bn by your conclusion that it is even function, bn is gone. So only a naught and an. What is the value of a naught? That will be equal to 1 by L. L is 1. So P is 2. That means L is equal to 1, because the value of X is from -1 to 1, right? The value of X is from -1 to 1. So it will become 1 by L integral minus L to L fx dx. Fx dx, right? And what will be this function? Can anybody tell? This is positive slope or negative slope? Positive slope, and the slope value is 1, right? 1 upon 1 is 1. So this is x, right? The function is x in this domain. So if you write the function, it is minus of slope between -1 and 0, and plus between 0 and 1. So in a way, I can write this function is mod of x. Can I write it mod of x?
Yes, sir.
Can I write the function as mod of x? Right? So this will be -1 to 1 mod of x dx. Right? Because as a whole, I can write the function as mod of x. Correct? So this will become a naught is equal to, क्या बन जाएगा ये? 2 times 0 to 1, because this is even function. I can write it 2 times this, and this will become x square by 2. So it will become 1. So value of a naught is 1. Is that okay? So can you tell me what is the average value of the function? Average value of the function? Yes?
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
1 by 2. The average value of the function is first term. First term is the average value of the function, and that is here 1 by 2, right? So similarly, we would calculate the value of an. So now let us get the value of an. So आप लोग भी साथ साथ इसी स्टाइल में इंटीग्रेशन करो, इंटीग्रेशन धीरे धीरे आपका अच्छा होता जाएगा. ओके, so the value of an will be 1 by L minus L to L fx cos of nx n pi x by L and dx, right? This is the value of an. Now this is even function, this is also even function, and even into even will be what? It will be even. So I can write it as 2 times 0 to 1. In 0 to 1 it is x cos nx n pi x dx, right? So this will be equal to 2 times first function integration of second, which is sine n pi x by n pi minus derivative of 1 and integral of this. So it will be minus cos n pi x by n squared pi squared, and the limit is 0 to 1. So now when you put 1 or you put 0, in both cases this term will not survive. Yes, this term will not survive. So what will be the value of an that we are going to get? What will be the value of an? So it will be, this is minus minus plus, so it will be 2 by n square pi square, 2 by n square pi square, and when you put it, it will become minus 1 to the power n minus 1. Yes, because cos n pi is minus 1 to the power n and cos 0 is 1. So after this, what we can write is an is minus 2 by n square pi square, 1 minus minus 1 to the power n. So whenever n is even, it will become 0. So an is equal to 0 for n is even. Many times they ask this question, when this coefficient is 0. Because whenever n is even, this minus 1 will become 1, right? Whenever it is even, minus 1 will become 1. And now what? An is equal to, if you write it, it will become minus 4 n square pi square for n is equal to odd. So when n is equal to odd, this will happen. Right? So actually, they asked about just a naught. I mean, the first term. They asked that what is the value of, no, what is the value of a naught? So what is the value of a naught? A naught is 1. बट मैंने सारी चीजें कैलकुलेट कर दी, कोई भी चीज पूछी जाए तो आप बता सकते हो. So कोई डाउट? Any doubt in this? Now we have the function and we can write the series. So let us write the series. I will erase this part now. How the series will look like? So fx for this will become a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an, which is actually minus 4 by pi square and n square. So 1 by n square this is an, and cos of n pi x. This is your infinite series. So if you write it in a more open way, it will become minus 4 by pi square and cos pi x plus 1 by 2 square. No, even function will not survive. So it will be 1 upon 3 square cos 3 pi x and plus 1 by 5 square cos 5 pi x and plus dash dash dash. So this is that infinite series. Yes. Is that okay? So this is everything what you need. And you can make a series out of this also. Suppose I put x is equal to 0. So what is the value of function at x is equal to 0? Can anybody tell?
0.
0. So if I put x is equal to 0 in this series, so I will get 0 is equal to half minus 4 by pi square and 1. So if you put x is equal to 0, you will get 1 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square dash dash dash. And then you take this on this side, it will become minus half, right? Then this minus will be gone. So it will become pi squared by 8 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus dash dash dash. So this infinite series will sum up to pi square by 8. Okay. And if somebody asks you to put Parseval's theorem in it, then you will write integral minus 1 to 1 fx. What is this function? It is mod x, right? So mod of x square and dx will be equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity. If I take it in this form, so it will become, or we can write separately, it will become a naught square by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an square. Okay. So in this case also a series will be formed, and this is so simple because square will become x square, it will become x cube by 3, and when you write the upper limit and lower limit, it will sum up. कितना हो जाएगा left hand side? X cube by 3, it is x square, no? And this is even function, so you write 2 times 0 to 1, right? So it will become 2 times x cube by 3, 0 to 1. So it will become just 2 by 3. It will become 2 by 3 is equal to, this will be the infinite series that will be formed by a naught square, then a1 square, and you can calculate all of them from here. So whenever you see pi square in the coefficient, it will become pi to the power 4, because this side it is, what was the value of a naught? 1. So it will become 1 by 2 plus, you check, what is the value of a1?
So 1 by, so
Hmm?
1 by 2 से 1 by 4 होगा वहाँ पर. So a naught square by 4 नहीं होना चाहिए था.
नहीं, it is, तुम पहले टर्म को ही ले लो ना, तो it will become a naught square ना, if it is like this.
हाँ सर, तो पहली टर्म तो 1/2 है ना,
तो
1/4
तो it
आएगा
will
ना।
become 1/4. Yes, it will become 1/4. And then what is a1? What is a1?
-4/pi
तो
square.
अब मैं इसका स्क्वायर लिखना चाह रहा हूं ना, तो मैं लिख दूंगा समेशन n इज इक्वल टू 1 to infinity an square I want to write. So what it will become? 4 by n power 4 pi 4. तो सी, जब भी इस कोफिशिएंट से स्क्वायर यहां दिख रहा हो तो समझ जाना कि पार्सेवल्स फॉर्मूला लगा हुआ है, ठीक है ना? आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Plus 16, 4 का square.
No, 2 is here ना.
So but for
Oh, sorry.
odd,
मैंने ऑड के लिए ऑलरेडी लिख लिया था ना 4, so it will become 16, right? 16 by this. So what is 2/3 minus 1/4? What is this value? 4 2 ja 8 and minus 3. 5/12. Yes. And pi to the power 4 will come this side. सब एक साथ लिख लो जरा. It will become 5/12 ना. 12 into 16 and here 5 pi to the power 4, and that is equal to 1 plus 1/3 to the power 4 plus 1/5 to the power 4 plus that. So this type of series is formed by using Parsevals. Are you getting it? So whenever there is a square here and you are seeing power 4 here, so that means that Parsevals has come into picture. So this is your Parsevals. Any doubt, please feel free to ask. Parsevals. Is this okay? So this is complete question. I have done everything to this question, starting from the calculation of applying even odd, then applying the coefficient, then series, and then Parsevals, everything. If there is doubt at any step, please feel free to come in. Understand this one question. And what is 16 into 2? 12. 192. Yes. 16 into 12.
is 192.
So it will become this. Okay. तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस ट्राई करना उसमें से जो आपको मैंने वो दिया है डॉक्यूमेंट, तो एक बार कुछ क्वेश्चंस आप प्लीज उससे आप देखना. अभी आई एम टेकिंग अ क्वेश्चन फॉर कॉम्प्लेक्स फोरियर सीरीज. कॉम्प्लेक्स फोरियर सीरीज. Okay. So suppose I give you that a complex Fourier series is defined like this. Fx is equal to summation n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity and Cn e to the power minus n pi x by L. Okay. This is the complex Fourier series. Is this correct? Tell me. Please see it in your copy. Is this series correct? My question is this.
No, sir.
It will be plus.
Varun?
No, sir.
नहीं भाई, करेक्ट है. मैंने कह दिया ये सीरीज है तो ये सीरीज है. मैंने ये बात बताई थी आपको उस समय. ओके. If I have told you that this is the series, then this is the series. Then what will be the value of Cn? Yes. 1 by 2l integral minus L to L fx. Now what will be multiplied? E to the power I n pi x by L. Yes or no? Bhai, if somebody
Yes.
gave you that this is the series, minus sign is here, then पहले यहाँ प्लस था तो आपने fx
Yes,
से
sir.
माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई किया था. नाउ हेयर यू हैव माइनस. सो अब देखो ये प्रीवियस ईयर नेट क्वेश्चन है. उन्होंने क्या किया था कि सीरीज बदल दिया था, यहाँ पे माइनस लिख दिया था. तो अगर आप जानते नहीं हो, कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो, तो आपको लगेगा यार ये माइनस आ गया, अब क्या करूं. बट इट इज सो सिंपल दैट बोथ साइड्स यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इसका कॉन्जुगेट, राइट, एंड देन this side it will be finished and this side the integral value will come. Is that okay? Now I am giving you a question that fx is simply x and it is between -1 to 1 and you have to write complex Fourier series for this. So how the graph will look like? Which thing will be repeated? This will be repeated, right? This is -1, this is 1. This will be repeated in the space. So similarly, this side you will be getting like this, right? ये बताया हुआ है ना पहले भी. Same thing will be like this, and this side also it will be so. Okay, so same pattern will be repeated on the both sides, but this is the pattern actually. So you have to make it like this. यहाँ पे minima आ गया like this, यहाँ पे maxima है तो यहाँ पे minima, यहाँ पे minima है तो it will be starting from here like this. I hope you understood this. Okay, so this whole pattern is repeated. Now ये क्वेश्चन भी अच्छे से कर लेते हैं. सब लोग साथ साथ करो जरा. Try to do it with me and then आपका complex Fourier series भी clear हो जाएगा. Okay, so let us do it together. Function is very simple. I have taken fx is equal to x. So what will be the DC term? मान लो कोई आपसे सिर्फ इतना पूछ ले कि what is DC term or constant term or constant term. DC term or constant term. So you will get C naught, right? It will be 1 over, what is the value of L? Tell me. What is the value of L?
One.
Sorry?
1.
1. Very good. So हर क्वेश्चन में यही सेम चीजें देखनी है. अगर आप ध्यान से देख रहे हो सारी चीजें क्लियर होती चली जाएंगी. ठीक है ना? सो भाई यू ऑल हैव प्रॉमिस्ड मी कि आप जितनी देर क्लास है उतना टाइम आप अच्छे से लगाने वाले हो. तो उस टाइम में आप जरूर अच्छे से पेन पेपर कॉपी जो भी आपने बनाया उसमें साथ में सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो. इनिशियली यू मे फेस प्रॉब्लम बट दैट विल बी अ फैक्ट चेक ऑल्सो कि धीरे धीरे करके अगर आप कैलकुलेशन हमारे साथ ही साथ करने लगते हो सो दैट मीन्स योर स्टडीज आर गोइंग वेल. ठीक है ना? दैट इज अ सिम्टम ऑफ योर गुड स्टडी. सो इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं फटाफट. इट विल बिकम C naught is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, L is 1 minus 1 to 1, right? Fx is x e to the power I by x and by L, which is 1, right? So is this even function or odd function?
Odd function.
Sir, n will be 0.
N will be?
Like for the C 0,
Oh, C
e raised to power I.
C0, sorry. I am calculating C0, so it will be just this. Right? So what will be the value of C0? This is odd function from -1 to 1. Answer is 0. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Odd function from -1 to 1, you know that the answer will be 0.
0.
And what will be the value of Cn? 1 by 2 integral -1 to 1 x e to the power I n pi x by L. L is 1 and dx. Correct? Bolo bhai. Is this okay? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
तो ये function कैसा है? What is this product? Is it even or odd? Quickly, tell me. Is this even or odd? सोच के बताओ. This is even function or odd function? Who will tell?
Sir,
Sir,
neither
even nor odd.
Why Ayushi? Why?
So because like x will be the odd function, but the e raised to power I n x n pi x will be
Is
like
neither even nor
neither
odd.
odd.
So
Yes,
neither
sir.
even nor
Yes.
odd into odd is neither even nor odd. Okay. So let me open
Yes,
it
sir.
up. Can I write it like this? Using Euler's equation? Yes. Is this correct? Euler's equation. X will be multiplied. Okay. Now what is this function? Is it visible? जो मैंने x बहुत छोटा सा लिख दिया.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो थोड़ा बड़ा लिख देता हूँ ना. So it is half -1 to 1 x cos of nx n pi x plus iota sine of n pi x and dx. Yes. Now this is odd, this is even. So let me take it inside. So this is x and let me take it here, x iota, right? Now tell me about the first term. Is it even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. So that means it will not contribute because it is -1 to 1, correct? And the second term is what? What is the second term, Varun?
Even.
This is
Even.
odd into odd, so it is even. So this will
Yes.
become iota by 2 integral 2 times 0 to 1 x sine n pi x and dx. So this will be cancelled and it will become iota first function integration of second minus cos n pi x by n pi minus derivative of x and integral of this. It will be minus sine n by x by n squared pi squared and it will be 0 to 1. Now, when you will put 1, this will be 0. When you will put 0, this will be 0. So this term will not be contributing. And when you put 1, this will survive. When you put 0, it will not survive. So it will become I by n square and cos of n pi, which is, and minus will also be there, right? So can I write it minus 1 to the power 1 plus? So it is minus 1 here and minus 1 to the power n plus 1. Can I write? I by n pi.
तो n स्क्वायर में n पाई होगा.
I by n pi. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Is everybody getting the same? Tell me. See your copy. Are you getting the same? Then we can afford to write the series using this. So fx, it starts from n negative, right? So you'll be coming from this side. Then I will write c of minus 1. This is cn. What will be c of minus 1? It will be iota over minus pi, and minus 1 here will give 1. So this will be the coefficient, and e to the power I pi x. Check करो भाई एक बार. This c of minus n plus c of 0 कितना आया था?
0.
0.
0. The DC term was 0. And then c of 1 कितना आ जाएगा? I by pi e to the power, बोलो, minus I pi x. Is this okay?
Yes.
Are we getting this? There will be other terms also. मैंने सिर्फ c minus 1, c0 और c1 लिखा है. बाकी terms को dash 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 लिख दिया. So you can combine it to write it in terms of hyperbolics also. You can see now. So we can write it like this, dash 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 plus, if I take minus common, minus I by pi common, and I multiply it by 2i, then it will become sine hyperbolic pi x. Sorry, sine hyperbolic thing. Sine pi x and dash dash dash. This one term, it will combine. And this minus minus I and this will be gone. Okay? Because you know, sine of x is equal to 1 over 2 iota e to the power ix minus e to the power minus ix. This we know. That's why I can write. I can combine these two. You agree with it? Tell me if there is any doubt. So right now we are doing it 3 days a week. तो जिन 3 दिनों में रहे उसमें थोड़ा सा अपना टाइम फ्री रखो और 1-2 क्वेश्चन इसके बाद भी लगाओ. ठीक है ना?